Tell authentic Locs sunglasses from fakes. Raybans have been manufacturing sunglasses for several decades now. Luxicotta or Locs sunglasses are highly popular and can cost quite a pretty penny if want to own a pair. However, you have to be careful as the market is flooded with fakes or knockoffs that are made to look like the real thing and sell for a fraction of the price. If you want the real deal, then you need to be able to tell an authentic pair of Locs sunglasses from fakes. It's easier to do this when you are holding the item in your hands so you can do a close visual inspection of the product. Here's what you need to look out for. It's being sold off the street and not in a reputable retailer. If you are buying a pair of Locs off the street instead of a retailer, then it's very likely that the items are not real. Real Raybans are sold in sunglass retailers such as Sunglass Hut and other fine department stores. If someone is peddling you the item while you're walking down the street or you find the item in a street bazaar, then it's pretty much a dead giveaway that it's a fake. It's trickier to tell when you are buying the item online since you don't get to inspect the product until after you have received it. If you prefer to buy online, make sure it is from a reputable and established site or distributor. The logo on the lens should be etched on. One real pair of Locs is when the Ray-Ban logo will be etched on the lens itself. For fakes, the logo is merely painted on, and this paint mark eventually wears off over time. Check to see if the logo on your lens is etched on. If you can't find a logo written on the lens, then it's a fake. Check the P mark for polarized lenses. There are some styles that are sold with polarized lenses. If this is the type of Locs you want, then it should be indicated on the glasses. You should see a letter P on the lens. It should be on the left lens. If you don't see a letter P but you know you are supposed to get a polarized lens, then it's a fake. Also, make sure it's on the left lens and not on the other side. If it's located on the right side, then it's a fake. Look at the box. The logo of the brand should be on the case. Also, there should be a serial number of the product located on the box. The sticker detail should also indicate the style number and name, frame type, and other details about the product inside the box. Make sure the sticker label on the box matches the product inside. If it is a mismatch, you may be holding a fake in your hands. Check the case of the sunglasses. There should be a sticker of the Luxicotta emblem on the case. Take a look at the detailing on the sticker. If there's no label on the case, it's probably a fake. Make sure you buy your sunglasses from a reputable retailer to be sure to get an authentic pair of Locs. The real product will give you the best quality shades for your money.